A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are studying well. Once again, welcome to class 2. Welcome to my class. Today also we are going to study grammar. We are going to study the second part of your first chapter, that is usage of capital and small letters. I hope you have learnt your first lesson. Now come and see what is in this topic. So, your second topic is capital and small letters. So, you are familiar with capital and small letters, but we'll see once again. So, children, these are the capital letters you have studied in your previous classes. And now we'll see what are the small letters. So, these are the small letters. So, you know the difference between capital letters and small letters. Now, we'll see the usage of capital and small letters. Children, where do we use capital letters? We use capital letters in the starting of any sentence. When we start a sentence, we use capital letters. And we also use in the name of a person, place, or thing. Anything which is particular name of a person, place, or thing, we use capital letters. Now we'll see our first sentence. That is, she loves carrots. Over here, she is the first word. So, S is the capital letter over here. Now we'll have our next sentence over here. A boy called Tim came to meet me. So, over here you will see A, Tim's T, capital, isn't it? I told you in the starting of this capital letter that the starting of sentence is used as capital letters and the name of any person. So Tim is the name of a boy. So over here A and T is used in this sentence as capital letters because T is the name of a person. That's why T is used over there. When we need to name a person, place, or thing, we begin the name with a capital letter followed by small letters. So, children, you saw that how we used capital letters. Instead of those capital letters, rest of the letters are in small. Over here, see the names Rita, Rhino, and Sonu. See the letters R, R, and S. All three letters are in capital because these are the names. Rita and Raina are the names of girls and Sonu is the name of a boy. Now we'll see how we use capital letters in surname. Rita Singh, Raina Rao, Sonu Shah. So we saw that we use capital letters in name also and surname also. Now we'll see a next sentence. The man from Italy got a lot of pasta. Italy is the place. T and I are the capital over here. Tom went to a school called Greenville. T and G. Meera Patil is her full name. Meera Patil loves noodles. M and P are the capital letters over there. So we saw that other than those capital letters, rest other letters are small. We use capital letters in the starting of a sentence, name of a person, place, or thing we saw in our previous examples. To make you understand in a better way, I'll narrate to you a story, a short story. Hello. So H is capital over here. Now I'll tell you the story about a fox. We saw a fox today. What did the children see? A fox today. The fox had a fluffy tail. What kind of tail was the fox having? A fluffy tail. He dug into the grass. He was digging the hole into that grass. I think he was looking for some food. The children thought that he might be looking for some food to eat. He dug very fast. Now he started digging very fast, as you can see in the picture. My little sister laughed when some dirt got on his nose, and my sister started laughing when dirt was surrounded around his nose. Her laugh scared the fox and it ran into the woods. Woods means jungle. And when she started laughing, the fox got afraid and hid in the woods. I hope it comes back again so that I can take more pictures. And the boy was taking pictures of that fox and wished that he would come again and I would take his more pictures. So, children, now see what are the usage of capital letters over here. We saw a fox today. So, what is the capital over here? W. W is the capital because we start the sentence with W, with capital letter. We have started the sentence with a capital letter. So, children, rest other letters are in small letters. He dug into the grass. And it is a continuation of that sentence. He dug into the grass. So, we are using small letters and not capital letters. So, H will be small over here because it is the continuation of that first sentence. We saw a fox today. He dug into the grass. But if we put full stop, then we will begin this sentence with capital H. We saw a fox today. The fox had a fluffy tail, which is correct. Which sentence is correct? In proper order. Yes, the fox had a fluffy tail is correct because it is started with capital T. And this is wrong because today is started with the capital T and W is small over here. So this sentence is wrong and the second one is correct. We saw a fox today. W is small over here and T is capital. So we'll correct it. W will be capital and T will be small over there. So now the sentence is complete. So, children, this was all about the capital and the small letters usage. I hope you have learned the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter well. Thank you so much. Wishing a great day ahead.